Well, hello, pre-calculus students and seekers of truth. In this video, we are going to continue our study of functions by talking about two special subgroups here. We're going to deal with domain and range and how they are related to a function. So a very quick review. What is a function? Well, a function is a rule or a machine with inputs and outputs, and every input has exactly one output. So let's review real quick. You have a toaster function, input and output. Put in bread, you get out some toast. A washing machine, you put in some dirty clothes, that's the input. It does some work, and you get out clean clothes as part of the output. But what happens when you start messing around? Right? In this case, some inputs can break the function. So if you have a washing machine and you put in your bread, that's a problem, right? That's going to break your washing machine. Oh, excuse me. Then what if you have a toaster and you try to toast your shirt? That's going to break the function. So a couple quick examples in the physical world to understand that machines have inputs and outputs, but you can't just put whatever you want in there as the input. Now let's look at the math world. You have a function like this. F of x equals 1 over x minus 3. You could feed some numbers in here and that would be fine, but if you feed in 3, you end up with a problem. F of x is equal to 1 over 3 minus 3, or 1 over 0. There's not going to be any output because you cannot divide by 0. That's a mathematical operation that doesn't work. Here's another one. I apologize for the messed up font, but hopefully you can see that this is f of x equals the square root of x minus 3. What if you feed in a number, let's say 1? Well, f of x then is equal to the square root of 1 minus 3, or the square root of negative 2. There's not going to be any output here because we're going to have a non-real answer. So this is important to point out that the output of a function needs to be a real number. You may say that, oh, this is the square root of 2i, but we're not going to deal with imaginary numbers right now as we work with functions. So you can see here that some inputs and outputs are possible in a function, not everything. So all of the possible valid inputs, we call that the domain. So the domain are all possible numbers that will not break the function. And the range is all of the possible valid outputs. So a toaster can only produce toast, can't produce clean clothes. Oh, excuse me. Same with a washing machine. The range of the washing machine would be clean clothes. Bread is not going to be part of the range of the washing machine. So now, with that in mind, there are some rules that we can use to help us find domain. And there's 4 of them. First, you start out with all real numbers. Then you eliminate any inputs that lead to division by 0. And then you eliminate any inputs that lead to non-real answers. In other words, anything in the square root must produce a non-negative number. And then in some cases, if you have real-world problems, you can't, the domain is going to change. You can't have like negative feet, or some negative numbers just aren't going to make any sense. Some positive numbers may not make sense. So in real-world problems, you have to think a little bit more about what is actually allowed. All right, so we're going to end this video here. That was a very brief overview of domain and range. Watch the rest of the videos where we get into all of the mathematical examples as how to find the domain and range of various functions. As always, ask for help if you need it. Thank you for watching.